Customer service leaders are on a never-ending mission to improve customer experiences. But that's hard when service volume is high and agents and mobile workers are dealing with increasingly complex cases. So today, we're talking about how Salesforce Service Cloud can help your team use AI and data to lighten their load and keep customers happy. What's up, everybody? I'm Brian Tong, and this is Salesforce Explained. Now let's dive in, and we're going to start with a simple definition. Service Cloud is the #1 AI CRM for service. Built directly on Salesforce's Einstein 1 platform, it can help you transform how service teams deliver value at every customer touchpoint. As a customer service pro, you already know how hard it is to balance speed with quality, especially with bigger and more complex caseloads. I mean, 79% of agents and 73% of mobile workers say they support more products and services than they did just a year ago. Plus, customer expectations are rising through the roof, making it impossible to manage communication across a lot of different channels. So, what can you do? Give your teams, from the contact center to the field, one complete AI-powered platform that provides a unified view of every customer. And that's exactly what Service Cloud is. Now here's an example. Let's say a customer needs to reach out to your business for help. Well, imagine if they could find the right answer on their own on your website. Boom! By using a self-service knowledge article, your customer solves their issue instantly, and you just deflected a case request, saving the agent a ton of time. Now, if they want a little more help, they can contact you on whatever channel they want, and then when you talk to them, you already have all the info you need about their purchase and any issues they've had in the past. And just like that, you solve their issue without needing to call them back or transfer them somewhere else, which is a pretty big deal because on average, a customer gets moved between 3 agents and gets put on hold for 30 minutes before their case ever gets resolved. Yeah, you and me both. And don't worry, I didn't forget about our field service techs. When they're dispatched for a customer's appointment, they also have everything they need to get the job done right the very first time while on the go. Now, you might be wondering how all that can happen so easily. Well, Service Cloud is all about using data and AI to drive the customer experience from end to end. When you pair Service Cloud with another Salesforce product called Data Cloud, you can connect data from any system or department so that it's all on one platform. That way, your service team has a complete view of every customer across departments like sales, marketing, and commerce. So once you have all your data ducks in a row, you can bring in Salesforce's built-in AI called Einstein to do the heavy lifting. Einstein learns from the data you have to help take care of time-consuming tasks like generating follow-up emails or recommending the best next step for your customers to take. And that means your service teams can focus on what matters most, building strong customer relationships. And this all comes down to improving customer satisfaction. In fact, after implementing Salesforce, companies see a 32% improvement in customer satisfaction scores. And as we all know, happy customers turn into repeat customers who share their experiences with friends, family, and even the internet. And when it's good, that's a good thing. Now, to improve overall customer satisfaction, Service Cloud can help you in 3 key ways. #1, Service Cloud allows you to scale service across every channel. Whether it's texting, calling, or even WhatsApping, your team can help customers on whatever channel they prefer, and customers can even help themselves find the right answers instantly with self-service. Okay, #2, Service Cloud increases your team's productivity. With Service Cloud, your service pros and field service techs have the tools that they need to be more productive, like 31% more productive. They can use AI capabilities like generative replies and Einstein search answers to take tasks off their plate, along with built-in automation tools to help automate repetitive tasks. And finally, #3, Service Cloud gives you a unified view of all your customer interactions. Remember Data Cloud? Yeah, this is where that comes in. Now, if you want to see things like a customer's lifetime value, their customer satisfaction score, what they're most likely to buy next, or when they visited your website or mobile app, you have all that information right in their customer profile. That single shared view helps you understand your customer so you can personalize and provide the right customer service. All right, now, are you ready to see how Service Cloud's features work? Let's say you work for this home exercise and digital fitness company. Your customer, we'll call her Laura, just bought a treadmill, but now she's having a little buyer's remorse. With Service Cloud's self-service portal, Laura can manage her order herself. She gets her questions answered, reads reviews from other customers, and gets suggestions for the next steps that she should take. Now, after reading the reviews, Laura decides she wants to exchange her treadmill for a different model. So she searches for guidance and starts the exchange process right there, even picking the most convenient delivery time with self-service appointment scheduling. Now, on the other end, Salesforce Field Service makes it super easy to schedule the delivery and setup of the new treadmill. Okay, so Laura has her new tread and she needs to connect it to the internet, but she's having a little bit of trouble. Thanks to Omnichannel, that's a feature in Service Cloud, the customer service team can provide immediate support on whatever channel she wants. She hits the chat button and is greeted by an Einstein bot. Laura can talk to it just like she would a human, and the AI chatbot can learn from her provided data in Data Cloud to best understand her issue and help her troubleshoot. If the chatbot can't solve her problem, it can automatically put Laura in line to speak with an agent. With what's called omni-channel routing, the AI can even send her support case to the right agent based on skill set, availability, and capacity. And that right agent is Tim. In the Service Cloud console, Tim can accept Laura's case, open it, and get a complete view of her profile. So he can see her interactions, lifetime value, and orders all in one place, all thanks to Data Cloud. In the past, Tim would have had to spend a lot of time looking through case details and writing a message to the customer. But with service replies powered by Einstein, he gets a personalized message ready for him to edit and just hits send. After Laura gives Tim more context about her issue, Einstein suggests the next best action for Tim to take, and that's reset her router. There you go, case closed. Laura's up and running, literally. And all that's left to do now is some housekeeping, which, of course, Einstein can take care of for Tim. Einstein will automatically summarize the work and even generate a knowledge article based on Laura's case so other agents can learn from it. All right, now that was just one case, but as a service leader, you need to zoom out and have a solid understanding of the overall business. With service intelligence, you get a complete holistic view of the business and an opportunity to interact with the data. You can use built-in dashboards like these to get reports and insights, and to dig even deeper into the data, all you have to do is ask Einstein. If you notice an issue like, say, an increase in case escalation, Einstein can give you the information you need to make quicker business decisions. And see how fast and easy that was? Service Cloud is reimagining customer experiences with AI while boosting agent and technician productivity. Okay, that's it for this episode of Salesforce Explained. If you want to learn more about Service Cloud, hit the link on your screen now, and we'll also put more resources for you in the description. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.